Hi guys, how are you today? This is Joyce from Rimpack. Welcome to our channel.
Small 3-side seal matte plastic Mylar zipper bags with windows are flat, resealable pouches. They feature a non-reflective matte finish, an airtight resealable zip closure, and a transparent window constructed from durable Mylar and plastic. They protect contents from moisture, oxygen, and UV light, while displaying the product inside. The bag is permanently sealed on the left, right, and bottom edges, with the top open for filling. The exterior has a soft, non-glossy, high-quality look that is easy to write on and provides a modern aesthetic. A clear or translucent window allows customers or users to view the color, texture, and quality of the contents without opening the bag. A built-in resealable zip lock mechanism ensures easy opening and closing for repeated daily use.
Please feel free to contact us and get more info. See you next time. Bye.